So some of our target markets for the Duraphone, we sell a lot of Duraphones to warehouse applications, large retail chains, large venues like convention centers, airports even. Some of our outdoor applications include marinas. Farming is one of our biggest customer bases because a lot of farmers utilize that rugged design and the distance that they'll need between the base unit and wherever they are in their field. Another one of our huge customer bases is the enterprise. We have a lot of customers that need multi-floor ability communication, and we also have a lot of hotels that need the application. From one end of the building to the other end, they'll need to be able to communicate with everybody on their staff. So I'm going to go into some of our applications now, and I'm going to go through certain ones. I'm not going to go through all of them. If you want to know a little bit more about certain applications, we can talk about it afterwards. You can send me an email or give me a call. So our first application is the warehouse application. In a warehouse setting, you'll have many different employees or operations going on in a single warehouse on a day-to-day basis. And you'll need to be able to communicate to each person easily and have a phone option that's rugged. It's not just, a basic home phone, because you're always running around the place in a warehouse. So for a lot of our customers, we set up, depending on their needs, either the Pro or the 1X system. In some cases, we'll set up the outdoor antenna option, and the outdoor antenna will actually be placed inside, which is a type of configuration that a lot of our dealers or customers will take advantage of. In this setting, a warehouse manager will be able to communicate directly with shipping and receiving, and they'll be able to, as shipping is coming in or shipments are going out, the warehouse manager will be able to communicate with his staff easily and simplistically. Similarly, he'll be able to communicate with his forklift operator, even though he's doing his job. So I have a question here. It's how about 2 or more large buildings with concrete walls between them? In those type of applications, usually what I suggest is to implement an outdoor antenna. Now in some cases, what we have is a splitter, and you can attach a second antenna to a base unit and have one antenna on one side of the wall and another antenna on the other side of the wall, so you get maximum coverage that way. What I normally suggest, because every situation is different, is to test out the unit, to do a site survey with the unit itself. That way you know how much interference or how much deterrence the concrete walls will cause for any signal. Okay, so in this application we have a hotel setting. The hotel has many guests, and there are many different employees working on different levels of the hotel. So for head maintenance, an engineer two-way radios the front desk to advise the leaky faucet in a repaired room in 135. A bellhop can receive a transferred guest call to pick up some luggage from the room just one floor above where he is currently assisting other guests. And the front desk staff can use the two-way radio feature to page housekeeping to send additional towels to a guest. A lot of our dealers implement for hotels because hotels have maintenance staff and bellhops. They'll just be all over the place and need that rugged option and the coverage of an entire hotel, multi-floor building. So to help our customers or dealers benefit better, we have different combo packages or bonus value for your customers or end users for those applications. And for the Durphone Pro, we have the PI8 kit or package A, and that contains one base station, 4 handsets, 8 batteries, 4 chargers, 4 short and long antennas, 4 belt clips, and 4 drawer pouches. You're able to get a lot of different items in one single package at a better cost. Our second package includes the same items that you'd see in the PIA kit, the base station, the 4 Durphone Pros, 8 battery packs, 4 chargers, 4 short line antennas, 4 belt clips, 4 Dura pouches. But in this kit, or this package, you'll receive also 1 external antenna with the 20-meter low-loss coaxial cable, and 1 lightning protection kit with 5-meter coaxial cable. Now, some of our dealers will purchase external antennas, but when they implement it outside, they don't realize that you should have the lightning protection kit. The lightning protection kit will protect your antenna or your system from any lightning or anything like that, because if it gets hit, then your entire system will basically fry. So it's definitely an added accessory that is needed with the external antenna if you place it outside.